Hey everybody, my name is Caroline. I wanted to share about an app that I've come across, and that's called Bitplaza. So this is a fantastic app. You can actually use your Bitcoin wallet to purchase things. I'm kind of likening it to other online shopping experiences like Amazon. It's literally a shopping center inside your pocket where you can use your Bitcoin. You can find the app on your Apple. You can also find it through Google Play Store, and they also have a website, which is bitplazashopping.com. Actually revolutionary in the way that it's helping consumers use their Bitcoin on that online shopping experience. You can buy all sorts of different products. Personally, I've looked through the different shopping tabs and I can see so many things that I would purchase through this app. The benefit is that it's secure. You're not entering your credit card details. Credit card theft and identity theft is so common these days, so you have to be really aware of where you're putting in your information. And the beauty about this app is that you can really use your Bitcoin. It is such a secure way to do your shopping. I'm going to put some screenshots up here so I can take you through the app myself. The first thing you'll notice is the search tab, which again is very user friendly. It's very easy to navigate your way around the app itself. There's the search tab on the bottom left hand corner, which you can simply type in what you're looking for. It'll show those results plus similar items to that search. You'll probably appreciate, just as I do, is a lot of companies these days, they don't have a direct line that you can contact customer service on, and Bitplaza certainly does. You can call them during their office hours, which they're very transparent around, and available at really reasonable times. You can see through Monday to Saturday. When I'm having trouble and I need customer service in anything that I do, I prefer to use a direct line. So again, another beneficial thing about the app. The company is based in the US, so in terms of local shipping, it generally takes 1 to 2 days, which is fantastic and very speedy. They have amazing international shipping times as well, which is 5 to 10 days, which is one of the fastest shipping turnaround that you will see today. Once you do order a product, the tracking is really accessible. You're not in limbo. You are sent the details. You can see exactly where it is and approximately when you're going to receive it. Okay, so let's have a look at the add to cart function. So you really simply go to cart, you add your details, add your shipping requirements, and as I mentioned, it's really secure. You don't need to add your credit card and there's no fuss there. This company itself is really innovative, so it is constantly updating its app. It's constantly adding new products and new features to make the customer experience the absolute best it can. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'm so excited for you now to go and check out the Bitplaza app and use your Bitcoin to purchase items.